All right. Okay. All right, and we're live. I'm so spoiled. Woo, out here on the tank today. Well, thank you. I feel like a baddie. This thing makes you feel like you're in Jurassic Park and I'm about to stumble upon a dinosaur. All right, we're gonna go around the field. Jordyn moves back here. We got the tank with double the battery. It's the same speed, but this wide deck makes it super nice, able to grip on when we go fast. Here we go. Let's get it. Woohoo! I got more confidence now. I've ridden this a couple times. Woo! Oops. Woohoo! Yeah, 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 boy. Woo! Good job, V-Carts. You made a beast. There's nothing else out there like this. Woohoo! Just go past the boys, make them jealous real quick. I really like this wide deck. This is awesome. I'm gonna go as fast as I can on the straightaway. Let's see what we get up to.
Big dog, everywhere I go. Big dog, everywhere I go. Big dog, everywhere I go.
Here we go, full throttle. 32. Very nice. Oh, I hope that everyone gets to experience this much fun someday. This is the most fun I may have ever had. You're just riding around circles on some farmland.
Game 6, we gon' kick them while he's down till he can't piss. Brand new day, it's the same shit.
Woo!
Big dick energy, cause I got a big dick. Stand up business, I'ma handle this shit. Can of spinach, I'ma handle this bitch. Handle this shit, I'm a candidate. Everybody saw you switch, I tell you what. I knew you was a bitch, I tell you what. Now you see me getting rich, I tell you what. Teach your man to fish, you can level up. Big dog everywhere I go. 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 About to kill Bill, leave some blood on the stars. Said I'm willing to deal and I say I got her for the low. I got a truck full of stripper bitches, I'm wild with a pole. Lit hoe, yeah, you know how I go. Everybody hit the floor and I won't cut off any domes. Hotty, where you from? I say I'm coming from the long. We fuck chicks and hit licks, riding on the lawn. Right on. DTS sitting on swingers. At the house of hits, making fingers. Big crib, got me yelling, gang. Page block all red, got me feeling like a painter.
This is leading to the rat the whole time.
Like a doggy, I told the chopper to get him. They come with a dog, whisper how I push up and I sit him. She gon' do a miskin like an afro, how she bout to pick him. Big dog everywhere I go. 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 I go big dog, I go pew pew pew, you get picked off. Ain't no tick on, I walk around with a lick on. My type of way like Rich Home, yeah. Jet had lunch at Esco, all in the bowl like Take Mo. Chain on charm, hang down to my neighbor. Shit, ice on my cup, I'ma keep
Whew. This thing is quite the arm workout, but it's awesome. Oh, I got a little off trail. Yeah, that's the right way. All right, one more time. Let's go! Woohoo! Mario! Oh, this thing is too fun for a little girl to have. Hey!
You ready to hit the woods?
Yeah.
All right,
my arms are feeling it. Sounds good.
Yeah, how's it feeling?
It's good.
fun?
Yeah, it's way too much fun.
I'm gonna take the camera and we'll hit the woods.
All right. Yeah, we're good. Arm workout. Yeah, this thing's too much fun. I don't think I've had this much fun ever.
Jordyn smile.
Yeah.
Bad.
I don't want to go back to work tomorrow. All right, we got the whole gang going through the woods now. And I'm lucky because the tank can conquer anything we've put it to test so far. Anyone who's watching, enjoy the next couple minutes of some peaceful Iowa wood trails. Woohoo! Super steep. I got it in gear 1 going through the woods here so I don't launch myself anywhere. Look at this, going through this crazy wood trail. And we're just handling it like it's nothing. I'm not a farmer, but I could see, oh sorry, I meant to say I'm not a hunter, but I could see how this could be useful. Woohoo! Just taking it nice and easy.
The hill climb coming up.
Yeah.
So make sure you're in 3.
Okay, sounds great. What? Oh! No, now I'm scared. Worst case, I'm gonna like hit the brake, put the lock on, and jump off. So peaceful out here. I see why. He lives right next to the interstate, and I feel like my headaches, it's like a permanent headache that went away when we got out into the country. All right, we're back at one of the biggest hills in the woods here, and the trail is pretty muddy. We think the tank can conquer it no problem, but we got it in gear 3. Let's see what she's got.
Do that dance, who goddamn, who that man, I'm feeling brand new.
Yeah! Woo! Tank number 2! Yeah! I shouldn't have been worried. Apologies to the tank.
Kick it with a pro. I'm sick of being cautious, got me nauseous. I need a safe space for me to get toxic. Go crazy, I'm feeling sexy right now, oh baby. Party with a Betty, old lady. I'm just feeling good, buddy, don't hate me. Oh no, assemble the ratchets, let's go hit the road. Pockets new money, they about to explode. I'm banning Karens, only barbarians, smoking and staring at my funeral. With optional clothes, shut the fuck up, bro, they not gonna know. I'm cooling my time, bro, stop being so scared, you know I got bail money. Do that dance, who goddamn, who that man, I'm feeling brand new.
That was a good little ride on the tank. Thank you so much, V-Carts, for sending this to Scooter Gang. I am lucky I got to ride it as well. Thanks for watching. Jordyn moves. Super, super lucky. Yes, great tank weekend. Can't wait to ride it again.
Dude, I am that dude, I am that dude, I am that. Fucking strip club. I'm on the balcony of the hotel in a fucking robe throwing tips up. Cheeks all kissed up, lipstick from a misfit.